a little over 100 years. And then, you know, it's all moved overseas. But during that 100 years, they, you know, monocrop pineapple on this 10,000 acre estate. It's just all pineapple, and they lay this black plastic down every 2 generations of pineapples, and then they just till it back into the dirt and lay new pineapple plants. So we got this black plastic stretching across the whole property. It runs anywhere from about 6 to 8 feet deep into the ground. There's nothing we could ever do to, you know, get it up or out. So we're doing the next best thing. We're gonna try and put the rainforest back on top, lock down this plastic, stop it from getting into our oceans and getting on the reef, as well as put the rainforest back on top and hope the rain comes back. So we modeled our project after New Zealand. New Zealand clear-cut some of their lands for cattle, and they lost a lot of their rain as well. About 30 years ago, they started a reforestation project over there, and they got about 20% increase in rain already. So yeah, so we know it works. It takes time. It's not really for our generations. It's more for our kids or the generations after us. But it's so that way they can have a nice hillside, you know, hopefully with lush rainforest that they can come ride around and do activities on. So this is an a'ali'i. This is a native Hawaiian shrub. It's got some cool facts to it as far as the leaves. The leaves fall off the plant about 3 times a year, which is very rare for Hawaii. We just have 2 seasons, hot and hotter. So it's rare for us to have a fall season plant. This plant, the leaves drop off of it a couple times a year, so that it's going to add nutrients to the soil for us. I'm sure you can tell, but this dirt isn't very good after the monocropping. Pineapple's kind of sucked everything out of it. So this is going to kind of put some more organics back into the soil, hopefully kind of make this hillside, you know, a little more rich, as well as the root systems. So the roots on these, they grow about 3 feet of roots per year, as well as just like a foot per year above ground, but about 3 below. So that's going to help lock down this plastic and kind of hold it down when the strong wind comes in. So this is a'ali'i. It stands for you know, standing in the wind in Hawaiian. So it kind of makes it's a good name for out here. This hillside's usually pretty windy. And it's just going to grow up to be a shrub. This is our base layer. If you look behind my vehicle, it's about a 6-7 year old a'ali'i right there. So it's gonna, you know, they don't grow too tall. They grow about 20 feet max. It's gonna be a nice base layer to start cooling down this dirt, shade the ground a little bit, cool down the bottom layer, and then we're coming in. We're planting koa trees, which is the largest tree native to Hawaii. That's what they made their war canoes out of and their weapons. It's a nice big tree. That one stretches for the sky. Those over there, the rock was about 100 feet in the air, right next to those pine trees on the other side of that bank. So that's a koa tree. Koa is, yeah, it's a very nice wood. We're down to 6% of our koa population in Hawaii. So now koas are super protected. Everyone started cutting down their koa trees when the price of koa skyrocketed. They were getting about 15, 20 grand for that tree sitting in their backyard. So as you can imagine, everyone with koa trees chopped those down. So now we're at 6%. The state of Hawaii went ahead and put strict rules on all koa trees. Even if one falls down in your backyard, you still gotta call the state. They gotta come make sure you didn't push it over, you know, assist in it falling, and then they'll let you sell it. But yeah, so once we put koa trees here, this area will be protected. Can't really make can't turn into a golf course or a large development. So it'll be, you know, kind of a cool forest area for people to off-road or enjoy or hike, hopefully for thousands of years. Yeah. All right, well, enough of me talking. You guys want to go hit the trails? Who wants to plant this for me real quick? Volunteer? All right. All right, how long that dug us a hole? Let's go ahead and drop this in over here. Pop that right in there. All right, just go ahead and start bulldozing. All right, pat that down a little bit, and then all water. You can rinse your hands off if you want to. All right. You want to rinse your hands off on this? Oh, sure. There we go. All right. All right, everybody, round of applause. That was our good deed for the day.